What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about mindset. It's going to be a little bit different, a little less tactical, a little bit more around what you should be focusing on and how to have the right mindset for success. If you don't know me, my name is Deeran. I run Master Filmmaker, and to date, we've helped 412 video business owners scale their business, implement marketing, sales, operation systems, and most importantly, mindset systems that help them scale their business. So today, let's talk about a little bit about mindset, right? So one of the biggest things we see is when people come in, they don't have the right mindset about scaling their business. And so to make it more clear, right here, I drew a horrible picture of your brain, but I'm not an artist, right? I can't draw, but that's your brain. And what your brain is doing is there's a phenomenon where you focus on something and you see more of that thing. And so, for example, if you've ever bought a new car, or you're going to buy a new car, or you're looking for a new car, you've probably started to see that car everywhere that you go. So in this example, we have a red car here, right? If you're focusing on a red car, and you're focusing on buying a new car, and you're thinking about it, you're gonna see more of that red car wherever you go, right? So these are more red cars right down here. Now, it's almost like you saw these red cars and they weren't there before, and all of a sudden you're seeing way more of them. But what's really happening here is that you're just focusing more on the red car, so you're choosing what to see in the world. And so by focusing more on the red car, you're seeing more red cars. If you were focusing on brown cars, you would find more brown cars, right? And there's a really good example from Tony Robbins I got, where if you look around the room, look for everything that's black, right? So look around the room and look for things that are black. I see a handle, I see a hinge, I see this camera. Now tell me all the things that you saw that were red, right? You probably couldn't tell me those things because you weren't looking for it. Now you might be asking, Eric, why are you going on this rant about red cars and things that are black around the room? Well, I'll tell you here, right? So erase this. What happens is whatever we look for, we find. So if we're looking for negativity, we're gonna find negativity. If we're looking for positivity, we're gonna find positivity. If we're looking for something, we're gonna find it. Because everything in the world can be found. If you're looking for reasons for something to not work for you, then you're gonna find reasons for it not to work for you, right? And so that's the mindset that we wanna fix when people are coming in to our program, or just they're looking for success in general. We're looking for people to say, not will this work for me, but how can I make this work for me? Because at the end of the day, whatever you're looking for, you will find. So just remember that, right? If you're looking for people to pay you higher prices, you're gonna find eventually people to pay you higher prices. If you're looking for reasons that people won't pay you higher prices and saying, poor me, people are not gonna pay more money for my services, then you're gonna find reasons why people won't pay more for your services. So that's the thing you wanna be looking at, is whatever you're looking for, you're gonna find. And I'll use one more example to illustrate this point. So let's say up here, this is a skier, right? So he's skiing. And there's this path, right? And there's all these trees in his way, right? So let's say there's trees. Again, please don't judge my drawing, it's not good. So we look through here, there's trees, right? So what they tell skiers, backcountry skiers, when they're skiing through trees, is they say, focus on the spaces between the trees, right? And so if you focus on the spaces between the trees, then you're gonna find a way out of the trees. But if you focus on the trees, and you just focus on the trees, then you're gonna hit a tree. And the reason is because it's the same phenomenon of you find what you're looking for at the end of the day. And so if you're looking for reasons to not be successful, you will find reasons to not be successful. If you're looking for reasons to be successful, then you will find reasons to be successful. The brain is a very, very smart thing. It will find whatever it's looking for, right? And so you want to focus on things that are going to actually help you succeed, as opposed to things that are not going to help you succeed and things that are going to get in your way. And so the next time you're struggling with a challenge, reframe the challenge as this is just an obstacle, or this is just a bump in the road that I'm going to get past, as opposed to framing it as a big problem, a big challenge, a big issue. Focus on how can I make this work for me, or how can I get past this challenge, as opposed to will I get past this challenge, or will I scale my business, or will I get to that next level that I want to get to. think about how can I get there? So that's it for this video, guys. Just a quick little mindset video. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you in the next one.